You're here for the party?
Of course. Why else would we dress like this?
Nice look. Come on in.
Great. Thanks. I can't wait. Me too.
I've got to be at that party. Let's go, Sebastian. I'll just make myself presentable and I'm ready to go.
Nuh-uh. Stop right there.
Hey!
Ugh. Is that poppet all over your face?
It's acne.
That's not allowed.
What?
Losers get flushed out.
Ooh, where am I? What the?
Hello there. Boo.
Don't eat me!
Oh, please, I'm allergic to fish. I'm here to help you. So you can reach your full potential.
Full potential? That's right. Oh,
That's enough. If you want it, it's yours. Just sign the contract.
Whoa, it's so official.
Go on, sign it.
You got it.
Perfect. But we are not done. It's not free, you know.
Of course, let me just…
This will do. I've been craving for lobster. You can stay in the cage while you wait for dinner.
Wait, he's my pet.
Quiet. This is your home. For now.
Huh? Wow! New house, new me! No! It's a cage! Can you help me get out? Just click the subscribe button and ring the bell!
Oh, don't even think about escaping. You're completely locked up, and the only key is always with me.
This can't be happening. Sebastian! Oh no!
Oh, will you keep it down? Here, my job here is done.
What? Where did you go? No! What? The octopus lady probably locked me up too. Get off me! Oh. Maybe the answer is in this box? Huh? Wow! It looks like a map! For a treasure perhaps? How to become Dark Mermaid? No, that's my chance! I'll be the star of the party! I better get to work. I'll start from head to toe. Gross! I'll start with popping these bad boys. Acne, be gone.
Oh no, you don't!
What an explosion! That's a lot of buzz.
You are doing the wrong way. Let me help you. What the? This might be a severe case, but I've got a solution. Right here in my mouth. No pimple can withstand these pimple patches. I'll take one star and put it on the pimple. I'll do it on every single one. Wait a few moments. Then peel it off. That should get rid of it.
Wow, it worked! Thanks!
Sure thing. Bye.
Hey! Thank you! Now, what's next? What was that? Oh, what do you have for me? Open season! Wow, makeup! Now that's what I'm talking about! I'll use the fish tail as outline for my cat's eye. Or should I say fish eye? I'll use it again for my blush to give me some fierce cheekbones. Now some color. I'll dip my brush into purple eyeshadow. I'll blend it with the eyeliner. Next, add glitter and diamonds. I want them sparkling. But my lips are looking pale. I can fix that. One swipe of this lipstick will do the trick. Or maybe two? Oh my, what a disaster! I bet this mermaid can help me. I'll put lipstick on her lips. I'll dry it all carefully. And before anything else, wipe off my lipstick. I'll give a little kiss. Now I have the perfect lipstick. Looking like the coolest girl in town.
Hey, you okay?
Oh, hi. Aren't you charming?
Let me help you with that. This calls for an emergency threader. That unibrow will be gone before you know it. Let me show you how it works.
Wow, it's ticklish.
Cool, huh?
Wow, you're my savior.
Tragic! We can't have that! Huh, what to do? I found this comb from the surface.
Oh, that will fix it.
Oh, it's stuck!
Oh, silly girl.
Help! It got me! Oh no! It's all over me! Oh my god! Help!
Don't worry, I can fix it. It just needs a little styling. I'll take some strands and wrap it around the pencil. And it's done!
Wow, it looks awesome! I can totally rock this dark look.
Not bad. And for my next trick, say goodbye to your Prince Charming.
What is happening?
That guy was suffocating. Glad he's gone. Oh, I can see you need my help.
Hi!
Ew, what's that smell? It's coming from your tail.
It's been a while since I took a bath.
We're gonna have to clean you up. But first, an inspection. Just as I thought. It's all garbage. That was intense. Better start now or we'll be here all day. I'll start by removing all the worms. They hide right behind the scales. Good thing they make a great snack.
That's counted worms!
What?
Let's give this to my body instead. You're welcome.
Stupid mermaid! I should warn you! Now stay still. This won't hurt. Maybe. I'll use the brush to clean it up. Relax. Look at it go.
Huh? The dirt is totally gone.
Told ya.
Great job!
Now I need this little guy to finish the job. I'll squeeze the juice in this glass. Then I'll add some magic dust. And now we have our potion. Just soak in it for a little while. And wait for it to do its magic. We won't need that long. You are done!
I'm a dark mermaid! I sure am ready to slay at the party!
Period!
Oops! Sleep tight! I'm so excited!
Help!
Huh? Flounder? What are you doing here? Oh... Huh? He's dead! I won't let you!
Whoa, you saved me! Thank you! Your gills look weird.
Really?
I think I can help you with that. I'll take this blue bottle and cut out some triangles. These will be your gills. But first, I'll heat them up with a blow dryer. This'll make them curl into a fun shape. Now it's time to bedazzle them.
That's a great idea!
Wanna try it on?
Go ahead! Wow, I love it! It's definitely dark mermaid coated. Thanks!
Ugh. Oh, I forgot I ate that.
Huh? How did you get that?
Here, watch this.
It's her!
Just gotta make sure she doesn't feel it.
Who's there?
Phew.
I can finally set Sebastian free! Huh? It's the portal to the party!
But Sebastian,
I have to go to the party.
mermaids.
Huh? What's that noise? Think it's coming from the toilet.
The party has arrived! Hold this for me, will you?
Who was that? Hey, wait!
Wow! Hi! It's everything I've ever dreamed of!
Oh, she's stunning.
Hi!
Yo, dance with me.
Wow.
But Sebastian's waiting for me. I have to go.
Huh? What?
You came!
Sorry it took so long. You are free!
Mermaids. I'll show you.
Yeah, I think that's all of it. I have stuff to do anyway. Until next time. Why isn't it flushing? Hello? Ugh, come on! Why won't you just go down? Huh? Whoa! Where am I? Am I underwater? And are these scales? Whoa! And I have fins too! They're so beautiful! I can't believe it! It really is peaceful down here. Just look at all this cool stuff! Whoa! What's that? So cool! What are you looking at?
Hey!
Hey, is that moving?
Huh? Hey!
Ah!
Hello!
Help!
Don't be crabby!
Really?
Nah, I'm just your friend.
Okay, I guess. Hello then. So I guess I'm a mermaid, right?
Well, you're almost there. Here you go.
Oh, my acne is out of control.
No problem. I got you covered. Are you ready for some magic?
I love magic. I'm in.
Alrighty. Let me think. Your T-zone could use some work. And those glasses. Smile? Oh, I know. Just stay very still. Stupid claws. No dexterity. Now what do I do?
Don't worry, I got you. My fingers can do the work. Got it.
Whoa. Let's do it.
I ain't done yet. Got it.
Yeah, keep them coming.
Does my skin look better now?
More than that.
Wow.
It's for you.
So pretty. Do I,
For around your neck.
like this? So pretty. Good idea.
Don't mention it. I've had enough of this guy. Say hello to Ducky.
Uh-huh. Wow.
Oh.
What is it?
Your hair. Time for a change.
What's wrong with my braids?
It's just not mermaid-like. But we can fix that. Here it comes.
Whoa! Cute?
Underwhelming. Let's try again.
This doesn't feel right. Can you change it?
Say no more. Oops. Forget this. I'm going in.
Easy, they're attached, you know.
Ta-da!
And?
Yeah, I think this is it.
I love all the fun colors. And so much glitter. Thanks! I love it!
Sure, but I need one more thing. A trim? Nah. Ooh, yes! The answer to our hair prayers. Just takes a little technique. It's looking better already. You can't even tell it's a sock. Alright, a job well done.
Really? It doesn't feel very mermaid-like.
Just wait. It'll be worth it.
Okay. Yeah. I'm a little mermaid. Ooh.
Take this as a token of our friendship.
Be one with the waves. Woohoo! I'm a mermaid. Uh-huh.
These dance moves are sick. But it's time to let that hair down.
Okay.
Just take those socks off.
I'm kinda nervous. Whoa! So many curls! Yep, totally worth the wait.
You're almost a mermaid now. Now, did we miss anything here? We covered the hair. But those glasses… I know. May I?
Hey, I need those! I can't see a thing now!
Just hang tight. I got you. You'll see everything clearer now. Aww.
Wow, this feels wonderful! I don't even miss my lenses. Thank you!
Wow. I just have one more thing. It's for you.
Really? Wow, it's beautiful! Thank you so much! What's inside? Are these bejeweled earpieces? I hope they fit! Perfection!
You're a real mermaid now.
Really? Thanks so much!
Ocean love.
Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Happy swimming.
Bye now! Woohoo!
I'm gonna miss that girl.
Ever wish you could become a mermaid? What would you wear? Let us know and don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel.